welcome back to the Sparkle Shop. It's Tashay here with a quick tip Thursday, helping you make the most out of your jewelry experience. So today we are going to talk about how to make your long necklaces into different styles. And a couple of things that I do want to mention is that the styles I'm going to show you, it will not work on all necklaces. The pendant on this necklace is free flowing, so as you can see, it can go pretty much all the way around. And I know that you guys know what I'm talking about because all the time you have to fix your necklace because your clasp ends up in the front. So this pendant on this necklace is free moving, so that does help. And then secondly, this chain, there are open links, and so I can take this clasp that connects the necklace together and I can put it at any point on the necklace. So those are two things that will help you make the most out of a necklace like this. And some of these you may be able to use on other styles of necklaces as well that have different chains and stuff, but again, just know that this may not work as easy or may not work at all with some necklaces, okay? So the first thing is just to wear it normal, right? I clasp it at the very last link, and then so this is as long as it goes, and it goes pretty much down to my belly button. So that's the first way to wear it, is just how it's made. I love wearing necklaces that way. I love how the long necklace elongates you, and it's easy to just pop over your head and throw on some earrings, bracelet, and what, and good to go. So these are some of my favorite necklaces. So that is look number one. Look number two, you can just take it right off without even moving anything. And then you're gonna slide the pendant down the chain just a little bit because you wanna move the clasp so that you can hide it. And then what you're going to do is take it like you would a scarf. So you're taking it in half, and then you're feeding the pendant through the loop. And again, you want to move the pendant down the chain a little bit so you hide the clasp. And then from this point, you can move it up or down. So this makes it into a Y shape. And then as you can see, this particular necklace, it looks like you doubled up the chain, and then you can make it a little bit shorter like that. You can make it a little bit longer like that, and anywhere in between. So you can move this up, down, all around till you find a spot that's comfortable for you. And you have just made your long necklace a short necklace. So another thing that you can do is you can just take the clasp and unclasp it, and then you can just put it at, again, any other point on the chain. So I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. There we go. So I'm gonna put it there. So as you can see, I have this much left. I believe I'm still going to be able to put this over my head. There you go. So again, dramatically shorter. You can actually see it now. This is more of a medium length. And then I have all this excess, and you can do two things. You can just leave it if you want and be a trendsetter, or you can just tuck it down your shirt. So there you go. And nobody will ever know how much you have down there. So you can tuck it down your shirt, or you can leave it hanging out depending on what your style is. And there you go. That's a way to make it any length. And again, I can make it longer again, or I can make it even shorter. Like I can put it in whatever access you have. Again, you just tuck down or you just leave it. So that is another way to wear it. And then you can also wrap it around so that you can double layer it. Didn't quite get hooked there. So okay. I'm missing my hook there. And you can double layer this, and you can finagle it there a little bit. I'm just putting that in the back so that you can have another double layer necklace. So now it does look like I have multiple necklaces on, and all I did was wrap it around one time, and I do have a little bit of access just because of where I chose to clasp it, but depending on that, you can just tuck it down your shirt or you can wear it like that. And like I said, I can pull this up and down as well. And again, I have a cool double layer necklace going on. So I hope that you find this helpful and you can make the most out of your long necklaces by making them shorter, longer, and wearing them as they come. So I hope that you enjoyed this. If you do, let me know down below. And I will see you guys next time with another Quick Tip Thursday. Bye!